Hi, this is Daniel. Today we're going to look at a Python script to detect the usage of R software in scientific publications. And the project is originally designed to find out the usage of R at UNC, but can be generalized to other analysis. The sample data shown here are retrieved from PubMed web interface in MATLAB format. And you can also access these types of files through eUtility, which you can find more detail in the folder that introduces this module. For the file here, it contains particular field tags such as title, abstract, PMC, and PMID, but nowhere can we find the full text, so we cannot get the usage of R from these files. But useful things are the PMC IDs. So we're going to use this ID to request a full text from the PubMed Central database. And we'll use the requests package and use the regular expression to find out the patterns that indicate the occurrence of the R usage. And this code also allows you to specify the institution you are interested in, like how often does UNC Chapel Hill versus Duke use R in their research. So you eventually will get the outcomes here. A data frame can be converted to a spreadsheet, and this column is PMC ID. This column is the Boolean value to indicate the occurrence of the affiliation you are interested in. This indicates the usage of R, and this provides the evidence of R usage. There are definitely limitations of this code because the regular expression cannot exhaust all possibilities. So this code is still underdeveloped and continuously updated. So feel free to contact me if you find anything that you can get this code improved.